Hello everyone. Today I just want to give you a quick update about the project that I'm working on. So I'm doing an experiment on creating movements, emotionally expressive movements for these kind of non-humanoid abstract forms. Here I'm using 3 stepper motors and 3 servo motors to make various movements.
This is my normal workflow. I start with making CAD models, then after that do some simulation and straight away go for 3D printing. When I print, normally I go ahead with the lowest quality so I can save some time.
Next, I will make some animations using Maya animation software, and then I will transfer those animations to Unity 3D game engine, and then I'm going to use this kind of a microcontroller to make these movements based on the movements that I have created using Maya animation software. So this is the project. If you think this project is something that you are interested, please consider subscribing and stay tuned. And thank you so much for visiting this channel.